LJ's gonna get a bone for Bassa. LJ, you gonna get another bone? Oh, I think he's done.
LJ. Come here. Batsa, you want to get more bones for Batsa? Okay. One more. Just one more. No more. One more.
Okay, he's climbing down the stairs. Yeah. Getting Bassa? Alright, climb stairs. No, not 2 bones. Better take 2 bones. He has 2 bones this time.
2 bones. Wow.
Come on, LJ.
Careful.
Here he goes, climbing up the stairs.
Careful.
There he goes.
Good.
Alright, let's find that dog. Can you open the door with 2 bones in your hand? Nope.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. Boss is not even getting up this time. Ah, no, Bassa.
You want to give him the other bone?
There you go.
Oh my gosh.
No, bad idea.
You want to give it to Batsa? Here, Batsa. Batsa.
Mama,
Wait till he's done eating. Wait till he's done eating. Mush, Batsa. There
Yay.
you go. Good job. Okay, let's go to No more.
Sandbox.
That's it. No
Oh,
bones.
good. Look at a sandbox. What happened to, what's his name? What's the pink guy's name?
Still the one that's supposed
What's his name? You want to sit? I'm going to sit. You want to sit? There he is. Uh-oh. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? I've never seen Sam so white. Uh-oh. He's gone. Where'd he go? Teletubby. Teletubby. There he is.
Good job, LJ.
Oh. Dirty? Is it
Lots of sand.
in the sandbox? You very up? Yeah. You very up?
Probably.
to